Some plants have physical armor. This armor serves as a protective barrier against various threats in their environment. Tree bark is a good example. It acts as a shield, safeguarding the tree from external damage. It is thick and tough. This thickness helps to prevent insects and other pests from penetrating the tree's surface. This makes it hard for animals to bite through. The tough exterior acts as a deterrent, ensuring the tree's survival. Many plants have thorns or spines. These structures are not just for show, they play a crucial role in defense. These are sharp and pointy. Their sharpness can cause pain and injury to any animal that tries to take a bite. Thorns and spines can hurt animals that try to eat them. This pain discourages animals from feeding on the plant. Roses are famous for their thorns. These thorns protect the delicate flowers from being eaten. Cacti use spines to protect their water. In the harsh desert environment, water is precious, and the spines ensure it remains safe.